slightly just to kind of see the projects that I'm working on. So that one will be in the, should be in the stores by the time you see this. Find your harness. He's a good boy. You are. Let's go take a look around. Loud out there. They got thingies going. Almost got himself a bird. All right, so we're working on some more of, I'm about to have lunch, but we're working on some more of the flowers. So or the leaves. that I'm going to paint some more gold ones on, since I used so many of them on this one, which is all finished now. I absolutely love it. It came out so beautiful. So that one will be in the, should be in the stores by the time you see this. I'm going to do another one like that, but I needed some more of these leaves that I used in the project. I don't know how we can see them. And one of the things I did, I don't know if you can see this. So I have my carving tool and I laid that down, and then I laid the leaves over the carving tool to get them to, I just thought it would be easier to make a bunch of the leaves more shaped, and it definitely was easier for me than just trying to do it myself and lay them back down. For those, I'm getting really good at this design, and I really do like this design now that I've actually seen it on the piece. I really love this design. I like these flowers too, so I'm probably gonna have to do more of these flowers. I don't have them right now, so I'm gonna have to make some more of those. So that one with all the glass and the stone came out so nice. I will show you more of these in process if you are interested in seeing how I'm making these and making all of the embellishments with the floral clay, painting them. Be sure to like and subscribe to the video. I believe there's still a bell icon that you can hit. I do a lot of do-it-yourself things. We have a lot of property stuff coming as well, but right now I need to sell a bunch more art. So I needed to make some more pieces for the collectors that I have. See if they like these new. This is 2025. They are sculpture paintings. And yeah, we'll see how people like them. I love them so far. And thank you for joining me. I will have some more elaborate videos coming. I wanted to get videos of the birds chirping so outside. I don't know. I was trying to get it also during the time that they weren't making a lot of outside whatever it is they're building, one of my neighbors. So back in to have some lunch, and I will have some more videos, some more of the new 2025 work that I'm doing and how I'm doing them. And I have a little kind of a do-it-yourself, but at the same time, just to kind of see the projects that I'm working on. And I love the glass stone. What do they call it? It's like the miniature stuff that you can get from the beaches. I just love the bejeweled, how it looks. It's just, they're just beautiful. We're gonna do a lot of the sculpture paintings like this. I think I showed you in the last video, but just for the two that I still have here. Here's one of the miniatures. This is octopus. A sculpture painting, super cute. This one is another one with a gold border and holding a little seashell. I don't know how well you can see them. Those two are the ones that are done and ready to go. The koi fish, I also just listed the koi fish. So that should be in the stores. I believe I will have the links in the description to those stores until I figure out how to link through YouTube. I'm still trying to figure out YouTube after all these years. Thank you so much for the people who just recently subscribed to me. I really appreciate it. Let's have some more fun. This video is, again, going to be a very short video. I wanted to capture some birds chirping, so we'll do, you know, as you just saw, a little bit of bird watching in this particular one. I need more bird subjects. I'm going to have some birds as well as koi and octopus, so